Привет!
Just when
No,
you
это
jump,
будет начало нашего влога. Сначала вот так вот.
when you jump, make sure you hold on to it because it slips off my head all the time.
Okay.
And let's put this back into that little baggie
Let's
and zip it up so the water doesn't get in there. Like put it in that.
let's figure out how the beginning will be.
Ну мы
The
пойдем
best.
туда, сейчас там
Let's
офигительно будет.
do the beginning of the vlog, okay?
Okay.
So
2019, baby! Woohoo! Okay.
so hi guys. We are
And beautiful ladies. Hold on, let me blow my snot out. Okay. And beautiful ladies.
so me and
And this guy.
and Michael are swimming in the freaking amazing and fascinating and beautiful and awesome
Spectacular.
lake
It's
that is
fantastic.
cold.
It's refreshing.
That is cold.
It's slightly, well, for her it's cold. For me, I got reserved.
I mean, what is cold? Which one is cold?
Oh, I thought you said cold. It's called Scotts Flat Lake in Nevada City, California.
Scotts Flat Lake in Nevada City in California.
Scotts Flat.
So 2019, here we come.
This is midweek, and that's why we're the only ones here.
Yes.
There are no boats, no waves, no sharks. It's
I hope so, cause I'm scared. Like
It's awesome.
I'm afraid of sharks.
And
Anyways,
we're going up
it's
the headwater.
so beautiful out here. We are so happy because we have already swam.
We've been swimming.
Yeah, so we've been swimming all the time, and we filmed something for you. So be ready for mind-blowing
2019, baby, here we come. Woo! Давай, погнали.
That is crazy. We're so happy. Well, I am.
It's gonna be awesome. Теперь нам предстоит полчаса вот туда вот грести постоянно. Через полчаса у тебя улыбки такой же не будет. Там уже другой вот гребень.
Будет, поверьте мне. У меня будет еще большая улыбка, потому что я люблю плавать. И вот, да, я очень люблю плавать. И мне кажется, это будет крутая поездка. Поэтому ждите офигенного контента! So now I'm putting it on my head, and I'll be filming under the water and the landscape, and this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, let's go.
Are you ready, guys? Come on. So,
I'll try to keep up.
good luck!
I don't need luck. I got guns, baby. Guns. Let's go.
What was that? Okay, I'm ready to go.
Take it to the gun show. You American. Okay, ready?
Yes. I think I am though. Whoa! Don't do that! Don't do that again, please! That was scary.
748, this is like a 4 or 5.
Oh my god, I'm so shaking! I'm shaking a lot. Like, look at my legs. They're so goozy. I don't know how to spell this word, but I look like a goose right now. And look at my hands. They're truly like shaking. Your camera. Wait. Oh, you're not filming, okay.